This is our family meatloaf recipe. It is the best meatloaf I've ever made. Starts with a 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of oats, 1 egg, obviously 1 pound of ground beef, all in one bowl together. 1/2 of a packet of Lipton onion soup mix. And then you will cut up your veggies. So it's really simple. Just 1/2 an onion, chopped up into small fine pieces. Those will cook on the stove before. And then a couple stalks of celery. The onion celery mix is honestly the best. My mom always teaches me to put that in like basically everything. Soup, anything inside the crock pot, anything in the stove. It's just a great combo. So you add that into your pan with some butter. You want your pan to be nice and hot, so when you put your butter in, it'll melt, and once it's all melted, you know your pan is hot enough, so you add in your onion and celery mix. Once your celery and onions are transparent, or cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes, it should be ready. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, in with the meat. Finish up your celery and then dump that into your bowl completely. Now you're going to use your hands to mix up the meat. I know it's super gross, but it's really not that bad, and it just incorporates everything. Or you could use one of those meat mixer things. Trying to think about what it's called, but you could use one of those too if you really feel grossed out by using your hands. Now I kind of almost knead the meat together like into a ball, so it turns into sort of a loaf. Put it in your baking dish, whatever fits. You know, you want some room on the side because I added some veggies. You could do potatoes, carrots. I did baby carrots, and this is what it looks like. Lots of room on the sides for other veggies, and then you just have your dinner ready all at once. Now my mom always puts this like design of ketchup on the top. It's like her little trademark thing. I don't know if everybody does that, but then you put on saran wrap on the top, and you put it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. In the last 15 minutes, you take the saran wrap off and let it cook the rest of the way with an open top. Now, I couldn't make my mom's recipe without cleaning my kitchen after, because it's like her motto to just keep a tidy kitchen after you cook a meal. And she always gets on me about it, so I have to clean my kitchen just to make her proud. But I can't lie, there's nothing that feels worse after you're done slaving away on a dinner than coming into your kitchen after you're all done eating and your kitchen's a disgusting disaster. So it just feels good while your food is cooking. You just use that time efficiently and clean up after yourself, and then after dinner you eat, and then you just have a couple dishes to do, or you do them in the morning, whatever, but your kitchen's clean either way. So I don't have a after picture or video of our meatloaf. It was so good, and we were hungry, and we just dug in so fast, but it's so delicious. The meat is so tender. Definitely worth it to make it. So I hope you enjoy.